We're going to build an AI-powered interior design app using Rightbrain and Replit. First, we open Rightbrain and navigate to our interior design task. This task analyses images and returns a design brief each time it's triggered. We then start building our agent pack. It includes the task prompt, the output format that the Rightbrain API will return, and the API endpoint we'll call to run the task. We add all of this into a document we'll call the agent pack. Next, we generate an API key with one click and then move straight into Replit. There, we provide a brief description of the app we're building and upload the agent pack we just created, containing all the task details from Rightbrain. Once that's done, we hit Build, and Replit confirms the prototype it's preparing. Next, we run the app. We hit a 401 error. This usually means the image files aren't being sent correctly to the Rightbrain API, so we check that the format is correct. We then grab our Rightbrain API key and store it securely in Replit. Replit pushes a quick fix to ensure the UI matches the output format returned by the Rightbrain API. You can now see in the agent's code that it's successfully calling the API and correctly interpreting the output format, making the necessary changes to ensure the UI handles it properly. This is key. Because we have a clearly defined output structure in Rightbrain, the Replit agent finds the API easy to work with. Now we run the task again. It works. The design could use a bit of refinement, but it's pulling the correct data from the Rightbrain API. We confirm that by checking the logs in Rightbrain, and everything's displaying as expected. At this point, we decide to aim for a Pinterest-style look and instruct Replit to build that out. While it's doing that, we experiment with different versions of the task. We might try switching to the model, for example, to see if it's cheaper or faster. All of these changes are tracked through version control in Rightbrain. Each change creates a new revision without disrupting the existing app build. Once the updated design is shipped, we run the task again. It mostly works, but there's a rendering issue with the colour palette in the design brief. It's a simple fix for the agent to handle. We run the app again, this time uploading 3 images, and just like that, the response shows a full design brief as per our Rightbrain output specifications. To verify, we check the Rightbrain logs once more. They confirm the task ran successfully. And with that, version 1 of our interior design app is complete.